Hi everybody, I'm Donna the Billionaire and welcome to Stretch the Money Consulting. This is for startup businesses. On this channel, I'm going to be teaching you all things money, how to make money, okay? So this video is how to make the most money with YouTube AdSense. A lot of people, they like to sugarcoat stuff. I'm gonna just be honest with y'all. If whoever does not know, I was able to monetize my channel within 1 year, okay? My main channel, I actually have 2 channels that's monetized, Donna the Billionaire and also Kingdom Kid, which is my ministry channel. And so Stretch the Money Startup Consulting is only for money. It's to help you get the bag, okay? And I'm gonna just be straight up. The best way for you to make the most money off of YouTube AdSense is to create a channel that teaches people how to make money, okay? You can do vlogs, you can do cooking, you can do whatever you want. I'm not saying that those things do not make money. However, advertisers pay the most to channels who speak about business and finance, okay? So it doesn't necessarily have to be like, you can make it strategically to whatever it is that you do, but I think that you should try to teach people how to make money from what it is that you do. It doesn't matter if you're an artist, if you paint, I could care less what you do. The thing is, you have to find a way to look inside your business and teach people how to make money, whether it be how they can get more customers, how you started, how you made your first certain amount of money, whatever the case is. If you are teaching people about business and finance, that is the best way. You get paid the most from YouTube AdSense for videos that are about business and finance. And I know this because even on my Donna the Billionaire channel, I teach lifestyle and I teach entrepreneurship. And so the videos that I make about money, teaching people how to get paid, how to save, whatever the case, those are the videos that paid me the most. Okay, and so I look forward to teaching you a lot on this channel. I hope you get something from here that you can use, and let's get started. Start the YouTube channel and be strategic. I mean, you can have whatever videos you want to make, but if you really for the bag, if you are here to capitalize, you want to get the best out of YouTube. You want to make the most money you can. You don't know how long this is going to be, how it is. So utilize it, capitalize, and get to the bag. Like, you can have multiple channels. You can have one channel for vlogging, one channel for teaching, whatever the case, but make sure that you are teaching people how to make money. That is how you get paid the most, okay? That's just my tip. Take it or leave it. I hope that you get something from this channel that you can use and that will change your life, and I will see you guys in my next video.